clear tu te Sipai le vekule tun tum kan video chuan Mizoram chunga sarkar Hnaruak sang tele Mizoram pon Hnaruakte kan en ho tel don ani ahma saberin Samagra siksa Mizoram Hnaruak en masaila ICT school instructor post thumsom le pali arwaka contract basis ani don ani posting na mun hi district sanga middle school zathum le som palia ani dona post khat theu arwak don ani mani district chunga post wana school list hi advertisement a khan a oma advertisement chu video description a hian download link kada a kan lo endon nia duration period hi 6 month ani dona September sahni somni le paruk atanga nakum February sahni somni pasari thleng ani dona ni ICT kan hanti hian alam pum chu information and communication technology ti nani a computer lampang zirtir tu ani dona ni hlo hi thlakata singkhat le sanga an la dona class 10 pass computer certificate DCA nei ani turani kumbi thlia hian kumsom pariat atanga somlin kar ni angaya form lak chuan mun hi video description a hian kan lo enanga application form download thein kada a PDF in kan lo download don nia ani lo poin mani district project office Samagra siksa Mizoram office a khan lak chua tur ani don ani form submit hun tur po hi mani district project office Samagra siksa Mizoram a khan ani don ani last day chu okas somni le pariat ani anga selection process a hian written exam om don lova walk-in interview mga lak tur ani don ani interview hun hi Samagra siksa Mizoram website a khan anon tar lang le don ani panina chuan Women and Child Development Department Hnaruak en leila LDC PE post pasari arwaka hlo hi cheng singkha sangruk zakwale somni ani don ani kan soi thin ang khan LDC shrimshimi chuanin pay level 4 an hlo thina amai ro chu PE professional employee la nge chia lawani wangin singkha sangruk zakwale somni an la phot don ani class 12 pass DCA mo CCA computer certificate nei angaya typing speed 30 watts per minute hiam angai bokani Mizo language proficiency test omdon boka amai ro chu class 10 na Mizo subject latetan hemi proficiency test chu angai don lovani kumsom pariat atanga somthum panga inkar tan dil thei ania tribal STSC tan chuan kumsom li thlengai na thiamna aom thei don ani dil na form hi YouTube video description a khan kan lo check out anga download thein kada ani form submit mun tu chu establishment section office of the Directorate of Women and Child Development officer tui kho atlang aizola ani don ani last day chu September ni somni le pakhat ani anga application fee cheng zale somnga STSC tan choi angaya general tan cheng zahni ani yang PWD tan pian phungrwal ban lo tan a free choi angai don lovani selection process typing test om masaberanga written skill test le interview om le don ani LDC written exam syllabus te exam in board saina to study materials question hlui solve important question te kan du ni chuanin ka website www.kamliana.in khan kan lo entry don nia ka website link chu video description a khan a link ka oma kan lo visit thin don nia pathumna chuan Army Ordnance Corps Hnaruak en leila post sang ni zaruk le som panga arwaka Army Ordnance Corps si Indian Army Hnuaia branch organization pakhat ania Indian Army Hnuaia hian organization sang branch sang entinan the Armor Corps te Artillery Regiment Army Air Defense Corps of Engineer Infantry Army Medical Corps Army Dental Corps Army Educational Corps Army Ordnance Corps Pioneer Corps Territorial Army Army Postal Service Corps kan tiang chi te kha a oma tina dang te po alomani tuna kan soi ho tur hi Army Ordnance Corps tuna mi po hi chung Army branch pakhat zinga mi chu ani a an na ber chu material le thomno fuel lir thei manwa le silai mu te Indian Army dang te hna supply le vapui bom ani don ani tuntuma Army Ordnance Corps Hnuaia Hnaruakte chu pakhatna tradesman mate sangkha jasari somkwale pakwa fireman zangale pariat JOA junior office assistant post sale pali multitasking staff MTS post sale somli pahni material assistant post somnga avain post work zongsong hi sangni zaruk le som panga ani tuna kan han soi na te hi a nget ani dona Sipai Army Army anga kumlit chunga tana la kang khachu ani don lovani tunami hi chu a nget ani don ani hlo han en leila tradesman me thian in level 1 singkha sangria ta tanga singa sangruk inkar an hlo dona fireman pay level 2 singkha sangkwa zakwa tanga singruk sangthum zani inkar multitasking staff MTS pay level 1 material assistant level 5 singhi sangkwa zani tanga singkwa sangni le zathum inkar an hlo dona ni thiam nangai te tradesman met deal to chuan in class 10 fireman class 10 JOA junior office assistant class 12 multitasking staff MTS deal to chuan in class 10 pass ngaya material assistant deal to chuan graduate any graduate tan adil thei don ani age limit a hian kumsom pariat atanga somni panga inkar ani dona abikin tradesman fireman MTS tan khan ani don ani kumsom pariat atanga kumsom ni pasar inkar tan JOA material assistant kha dil thei don ani kan soi fo thin angin STSC kaini tribal tan kumnga upper age relaxation kha awm don ani selection process han en leira written exam physical efficiency test PET fireman le tradesman tan khan awm dona skill test JOA tan document verification medical exam kan tiang chi te kha awm le don ani PET PMT te hi kim changsokin tunchuma chuan kan soilo mainga advertisement lama khan kan lo en chiang don nia written exam syllabus MCQ vekani dona general intelligence and reasoning 25 question 25 marks numerical aptitude 25 question 25 marks general English 25 question 25 marks general awareness 25 question 25 marks te ani dona avain question za marks za puanga darkar ni chung chan tur ani dona ni apply dan tur han en leila online atang apply tur ani a Army Ordnance Corps website chu www.aocrecruitment.gov.in atangin registration hi a form ni fill up tur ani a application fee general tan chengsa anianga STSC tribal tan chuan choi om don lovani apply tran thei hun hi tun kha uka su somni le pali ania voin hi uka su somni ania tuna hian al apply thei lo tinani chu last day chu September ni somni le pani ani don ani tin written exam hi beisai dan chuan November thla a beisai ani bokani